In everyday conversation, speed and velocity are often used as if they mean the same thing. In physics, they have definite and distinct meanings. Speed refers to how fast an object is moving or how far the object will travel in a specific time. The speed of an object tells nothing about the direction an object is moving. For example, if the information is supplied that an airplane leaves New York City and travels 8 hours at a speed of 150 miles per hour, this information tells nothing about the direction in which the airplane is moving. At the end of 8 hours, it might be in Kansas City, or if it traveled in a circular route, it could be back in New York City. Velocity is that quantity in physics which denotes both the speed of an object and the direction in which the object moves. Velocity can be defined as the rate of motion in a particular direction. Velocity is also described as being a vector quantity, a vector being a line of specific length, having an arrow on one end or the other. The length of the line indicates the number value and the arrow indicates the direction in which that number is acting. Two velocity vectors, such as one representing the velocity of an airplane and one representing the velocity of the wind, can be added together in what is called vector analysis. Imagine that an airplane is flying in a circular pattern at a constant speed. Because of the circular pattern, the airplane is constantly changing direction, which means the airplane is constantly changing velocity. The reason for this is the fact that velocity includes direction. To calculate the speed of an object, the distance it travels is divided by the elapsed time. If the distance is measured in miles and the time in hours, the units of speed will be miles per hour or mph. If the distance is measured in feet and the time in seconds, the units of speed will be feet per second or fps. To convert mph to fps, multiply by 1.467. Velocity is calculated the same way, with the only difference being that it must be recalculated every time the direction changes. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. If the velocity of an object is increased from 20 mph to 30 mph, the object has been accelerated. If the increase in velocity is 10 mph in 5 seconds, the rate of change in velocity is 10 mph in 5 seconds, or 2 mph per second. If this were multiplied by 1.467, it could also be expressed as an acceleration of 2.93 feet per second, or fpss. By comparison, the acceleration due to gravity is 32.2 fpss. To calculate acceleration, the following formula is used. Acceleration, or A, equals velocity final Vf minus velocity initial Vi divided by time t.